Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and we made it. It's 12 days of Christmas. Of course it is. And I want to say Merry Christmas to you all. And today we were supposed to be doing a Q&A, of course, a Christmas Q&A, and you should be seeing me in the kitchen cooking and all of that. However, changes. I didn't get a chance to do that, and I am going to show you just what I prepared today, so stay tuned for that. All right guys, so from my right I have rice and peas, and it's gungo with brown rice, and those are serving spoon. And the mutton that I did curry, that's it. And so we have some mutton right here, and we have chicken, two different type of chicken right here. And over here we have our ham, definitely. So for the pork lovers, this is for you. And then I have some vegetable right here, and potato salad over here. So that's what we are having, and that's what happened in my kitchen today. Nothing much. And you know, we have our sorrel and we have our Christmas cake. So that's what we'll be having. I hope you're enjoying yours, and I hope you have a good Christmas. And thank you so much for staying with me for 12 days of Christmas. I definitely appreciate it, guys. Trust me, I appreciate the love. I feel it, I see it. Thank you so much for all the comments, the like, the share, and all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the family. Welcome. I appreciate you all. Walk good, and see you in my next upload. Bye guys.